Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will talk about how to install WireShark on your Windows 10 operating system machine. Go to this URL and click on the Windows installer link and download will start for you. I already downloaded, so I will not click for here. After downloading the exe file, click on it and click yes for warning. And this window will pop up, and click next and read it and agree on it if you wish. Click all of them and click next and click on this button as well, WireShark legacy desktop icon, and click next. Click next and install WinPCAP as well and click next. We will not use USB PCAP, so we don't have to install it, and click on install. Installation will take a while, so I will pause it. This window will pop up. Click on next to set up WinPCAP. Agree on it. Make sure it is ticked. Install it and finish. Click on next for this window and run WireShark. And that's it, you installed WireShark on your system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.